RSI is at 50. It's below 50 right now. Okay. And then the dual Bollinger Bands. Prices are between the lower bands. Okay. This is very interesting. We do see that this is very ranging. Okay. The markets are, yeah, maybe there's more bearish momentum. Okay. But you have to be very careful about one thing. You see, this is a very strong support right over here. If prices can break below it, okay, then I guess it will complete the double top shape, which is the M shape, okay? Once we see an M, this is what happens. Usually what they claim is that the length of my double top, it will invert and it will be exactly the same length as my exit downwards. So potentially this long, okay? I have my doubts, okay, as I do see that right now overall it is very choppy, okay, especially after US and China met in Switzerland. Clearly, okay, gold prices dropped dramatically, okay, and now because of this 90-day temporary um, tariff pause per se, okay, it's causing a less momentum on gold, okay. Now, because the world is more peaceful, essentially gold prices may not spike like, that much. All right. Anyways, let's keep an eye on it and see what happens. All right. But overall, right now, what we see is that, yeah, potentially more bearish, okay, on D1. All right. Let's take a look at H4. Okay. H4, RSI is below 50. The dual Bollinger Bands, prices are within the 1.0 deviation bands. Okay, if prices are within the 1.0 deviation bands, we know that the prices are stuck in a ranging market. So I will be setting up my resistance level right over here. Okay. Um, if I do want to enter into a sell, I might want to wait until prices do break below my support. Okay. As what I can see here right now is that the lows are getting higher and higher. Okay. The lows are getting higher and higher, but yeah, the highs are also getting lower and lower. Okay. But overall, it does seem more bearish. Okay. Let's take a look at H1 and see if we might have an entry. Okay. So based on H1, RSI is below 50. The dual Bollinger Bands, prices are between the lower bands. No, it entered into the 1.0 deviation bands. So the same thing, gold is stuck in a ranging market as we clearly see from here, okay? So if prices do break below 3,231, then I do believe we can enter more into a sell zone, okay? All right, so based on H1, you also will notice one thing. The highs are getting lower and lower. The lows are getting lower and lower. We are in a ranging market, and then yet you see a bearish channel. Okay, so potentially there's still more bearish power. Okay, so with that being said,